Earlier this year, one of my subscribers, you know, came to me and asked me to assist him in securing an apartment. So I escorted him when he arrived at Asaba. So, but unfortunately, we could not get a better apartment for him, or the one we will get, we are above his budget, and the other ones we are getting, we are below his expectations. Like they are not, you know, to the level of standard he wants. So the guy have to go back and prepare himself to come back. So earlier this week, the guy finally came back, and we both went out for another house hunting. In case if you want to watch that previous house hunting that I've made, I may be leaving the link of the video either here or at the end of this video. So earlier this week, the guy came back, and we both went out for house hunting, and lo and behold, we were able to secure a place for him, though the place we are not fully completed. A little touches needed to be done before anyone can pack in. So the first place we visited, we went to around where they call the Ibuzo Road, beside the immigration office, that Ibuzo Road side. Those people have what we call the 33 line 247 light, but it just, and let me say, a newly developing area. I have make a video about this particular place too. It's also on my channel. I may be leaving the link of the video, if I remember, via the description of this video, so you can also go and watch about the place. So some of the houses we get here, because the one they sent, an agent sent to him on WhatsApp, before he could get here, somebody else has taken it also on the same side. So we have to start looking for another one. So we get this particular apartment. I think the total package was around I think around 1.9 to pay 1M or 1.1. So the apartment is nice, but I think a little touches need to be done in terms of painting and the rest. You can see the videos. I cannot specifically tell you the particular apartment that the price is being tagged on, but you just watch the video randomly and be seeing all I'm saying. So the first one, a little touches need to be done on the apartment. The paint, painting is already going on, and the other things are being fixed. But I think the roof of the building, the roof of the decking of the building also needs I think repainting or whatever. So after checking, the guy did not like that one, because he said the dining is too small, and the room is also small for the things you want to bring in terms of his bed and the rest. So we left this particular place, and we went to another location, and this particular location also needs some little touchings, and I think somebody has stayed there before and packed out. What we found out there is that the toilet sittings are not there. I think they remove it, or maybe the one that was there is not good again, so they have to remove them. So, but they have not replaced it. So now after checking, the guy said it's substandard to what he's looking for. So we have to leave this particular place and then head to Summit Junction. So this particular one that he finally chose was around that Summit Road, after Renoye, after the second Renoye, around that place. That's where we get the particular one he eventually chooses. So this particular last building was 2.2 M to pay 1.5 yearly. So Honestly, I can tell you the house has not been completed, almost completed, but not yet complete. The gate man house are not yet ready, including the generator house, and the main building where people will be staying also need painting. Painting has not been done. Some certain things has not been fixed. The wall sockets, the lights, and the rest we are not fixed, but the wardrobe, the toilet sittings, and the others are already there. And just minor things that are remaining. So after checking that particular one, we went for a kind of inspection from the lawyer or the owner of the building in his office. I couldn't capture that section, so after much questioning and surety and whatever, they gave us the rooms that are still available there. So the particular room that's available are train number, because what is there is 4 flat. They have already taken one, so remaining 1 up and 2 down. So I advised the guy, as one of my subscriber, I advised him to take the up and leave the down. So all I can say is that this, the building is nice. The apartment is so okay, like to compare from what we have been seeing in terms of size of the room, size of the parlor, the dining, size of the kitchen is nice comparing to the ones we have been seeing since. The only thing that is different from this location is that they don't have 247 lights. They are not using 33 line. What they have here is just 11 lights, what we call the 11 lights, not even special 11, just 11. So their electricity is just like a shoveled. They have the time, they have their own lights. So that is the difference. Other location we have been going have 247 lights, but this particular location does not have steady electricity. So that is really different. But talking about the nature of the apartment, the size of the rooms, the beautification, everything, you cannot compare this particular apartments to that of the ones we have been seeing. So the guy eventually took this one. So after seeing everything, and the owner assured him that he will not collect his money, but let him go and come back when the building is completed, that he will reserve the whole thing for him. So he has to fill a form, and he has to get a shorty, which I'm one of the shorties. So he has to get another shorty, and after everything he filled the form and submitted, so to be coming back when the whole thing is now completed. So this is a particular place is finally chosen. So since I've been doing this apartment tour and the location tour and the rest of them, this is the first time I'm kind of helping one of my subscribers to get apartment. Though I've been helping others to kind of go to some certain places to check it out for them, but this is the first time I'm actually helping a subscriber to get an apartment, and I'm so happy that the guy finally gets a very good place for for himself. So in case you have watched this video to this level, I believe that you love the video. So what you can do for us is just to click on the like button, click on the notification button to get notified each time we publish a new video, and please don't forget to share. Sharing is very important to us so that it will get to others, and that is it. So don't forget to like the video. Also drop your comment in case if you have any questions or any location you want us to give it, or we can give a thinking to that. If it is possible, we help you and do. So have a lovely day, and thank you for watching. We're gonna be meeting again in my next video.